Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 7 powerful money habits that can make you rich and financially free. Being rich is not just about having a lot of money, it is about having freedom, peace of mind, and control over your life. These habits are simple, practical, and anyone can follow them, students, workers, or business owners. So, let's begin. Habit number 1. Save before you spend. Most people spend money first and save only what is left, but usually nothing is left. Smart people do the opposite. They save first and then they spend what remains. This is called paying yourself first. For example, if you earn $500, save $50 or $100 immediately. The best way is to make saving automatic by using a separate bank account. Saving first builds discipline and creates long-term security. Habit number 2. Live below your means. This means spending less than you earn. When income increases, many people increase their lifestyle too. Bigger house, new phone, more expensive habits. This is called lifestyle creep. Rich people do not try to impress others. They focus on building wealth quietly. Remember this: wealth grows when your expenses stay low even when your income goes up. Habit number 3. Track every dollar. You must know where your money is going. Many people say, "I don't know where my money disappears." That happens because they don't track it. Use a notebook, a mobile app, or a simple list. Write down food, rent, travel, bills, and extras. Awareness creates control. Control creates confidence. When you track your money, you start making better decisions automatically. Habit number 4. Negotiate everything. Salary, rent, bills, services. Always ask. The worst answer you can get is no. But many times, the answer is yes. Successful people never assume the first offer is final. Negotiation is not being cheap. It is being smart. If you don't ask, you lose the opportunity. Habit number 5. Invest consistently. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. You don't need a lot of money to start. You need consistency. Invest in stocks, mutual funds, business, skills. Small amounts invested regularly grow powerfully over time. This is the power of compound growth. Starting early is more important than starting big. Habit number 6. Set freedom goals. Ask yourself, what does rich and free mean to me? How much money is enough? What kind of life do I want? For some people, freedom means no debt. For others, it means working on their own time. Clear goals create clear actions. When your goals are clear, your motivation becomes stronger. Habit number 7. Keep learning about money. School does not teach financial education, but today, learning is everywhere. Books, podcasts, videos, mentors. Financial knowledge grows faster than money. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. People who stop learning, stop growing. These were the 7 money habits that can make you rich and free. Remember, rich people are not lucky. They are disciplined and consistent. Start with just one habit today. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which habit you will start first. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.